Lord, it's me again tonight. I'm tired, so tired. Lord, it's me again tonight. The same tears, the same fight. I said I'd be strong this time, but I'm breaking deep inside.
I smile when people see me, but they don't know the weight I hold. I've been carrying this pain so long, and it's starting to take my soul.
I don't even know what to say anymore. Words feel empty on my lips, but you can hear my silent cries, even when my faith just slips. I am tired, Lord, so tired. I don't have the strength to pretend. I need your grace to hold me now, before I break again. I am falling, Lord, I'm weak. I can barely stand this place. If you don't catch me right now, I will drown. I need your grace. I tried to fix myself alone, tried to hide what's really wrong, tried to pray the pain away, but the nights just feel so long.
Sometimes I feel like I'm failing you, like I'm not enough somehow. But deep inside I'm crying out, Lord, I really need you now.
I don't have the strength to fake a smile. I don't have the will to fight. So tired, I don't have the strength to pretend. I need your grace to hold me now, before I break again. I am falling, Lord, I'm weak. I can barely stand this place. If you don't catch me right now, I will drown. I need your grace. Why do I feel so alone sometimes, even when I call your name? Why does it hurt this much inside? Am I the one to blame?
But even in my questions, Lord, I still choose to stay, because I know you're all I have. Don't take your love away.
Don't leave me here in this silence. Don't let me fade in this pain. Wrap me up in your mercy. Let me feel you again. I don't need perfect answers. I don't need everything to change. I just need to know you're with me, and I'm not calling your name in vain. I am tired, Lord, hear me. I'm crying from deep inside. I've been holding back these tears, but tonight I cannot hide. I am reaching, Lord, please take my heart and all this pain. If your grace is still enough, then wash me clean. can give is weakness, if all I have is tears, if my worship sounds like silence, will you still draw near?
'Cause I don't feel strong or worthy, I don't feel full of faith, but I'm still here, still calling you, still needing all your grace.
I am tired, but I'm yours. Even in this broken place, if I have nothing left to give, let me rest inside your grace.
I am empty, fill me, I am lost, lead me, I am weak, hold me, let your grace pervade me.
I don't have it all together, I don't even understand, but I'm still reaching for you, Lord. So please, don't let go of my hand.
If you're still here listening, I want you to know something. Your strength may feel gone, but you're not abandoned. God sees every tear you couldn't explain, every silent prayer you didn't have words for. You may be tired, yes, but you're not finished. His grace is not for the perfect. It's for moments exactly like this. When your hands are weak, He carries you. When your voice shakes, He still hears you. So don't give up. Not here, not after everything you've survived. Rest in Him. Lean on Him. Let His grace hold you together. You are loved, you are seen, and you will rise again. Stay with Him. His grace is enough.